Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're back for season 4 and good news, all our new episodes will now be available in 4K. Here's how you can see that you're watching in the highest quality. Just click this gear icon and click quality and see if it's in 4K. If it's not, just click 4K. Easy as that. Now in season 1 we did Mediterranean style cooking, season 2 was Italian, and 3 was French. All those episodes are available here on the channel. For this season, we're going with American-inspired dishes, and what's more American than hamburgers and hot dogs? Now we'll be using grass-fed ground beef patties. These are 85% lean, 15% fat, but there are other percentages. You can buy whatever you'd like. And Nathan's hot dogs, the perfect way to complement it for Memorial Day or the 4th of July. Here's everything we'll be using to cook it: grapeseed oil, salt to taste, and then some American cheese. So first, we'll put some grapeseed oil over here. And get that on and let it warm up. After I got the oil warmed up, I reduced it to medium, and then we'll put our patty in. I think I'm going to reduce it a little more. And let it cook for a little bit. Then we'll check it here. Looks pretty good, so then we'll flip it over and then we'll season it a little bit of salt. That only took a couple minutes. Then after a few more minutes, you can see it looks pretty cooked. So I've turned off the heat and it should be good. So the last thing, we'll season it again for the other side and then put some cheese on top and then just let it melt. Now while the cheese is melting on the burger, we'll work on the hot dog. I know a lot of people might put them on the grill, but it's just as easy for me to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. So now our burger is ready. We'll take it over here, put it on our buns. You can toast these if you want, but I think I'm just going to go with that. And then we'll get our hot dog. And then last thing, our hot dog's now ready. Put it right there, and we're ready to go. And then for the end, you can put whatever else you'd like: lettuce, tomatoes, onions. I usually just put cheese and a little bit of ketchup on the burger. And then we'll try it. That's excellent. Honestly, just as good as if you cooked it outdoors on a grill. I hope you get a chance to try these hamburgers and hot dogs, and if you do, let me know what you think. Thanks so much to you guys for watching. Thanks so much to Mom for her help running the camera, and we'll see you next time in the Tellow Family Kitchen.